me show you another part of Mbuvi farm. So when we had the good rains, we had some free land and we planted our corn. So this is just local maize actually, that we've planted over maybe around 2 acres, because we have this lot and the other lot there and the furthest lot this other side. We've mixed our maize with beans. So we do our intercropping most of the time. So we just find it's a mixture of maize and local beans. These last time we harvested around 10 bags. So give or take, we should do around 15, because we've had good rains and the soil is healthy. Nothing much on our maize. We just intercrop it, plant it and harvest it dry. So we'll do like dry it and process it, and we'll have our bags after in next year, early next year. Yes, so this is the other part that you haven't seen. So beans and maize, and we have our usual purpose on the other side. So today I wanted to show you how the maize are doing, and then I'll take you to our first manual, what is it called? Manual borehole, or do we call it a well? So I'll show you the manual well that was dug years ago, and that we use it to get water from. Come with me. This is our well. It's 35 feet deep. Over the years, we get people, they get inside, remove all the mud, and maybe if we have money, they add a few feet deep. Currently, they are doing it at 3,000 per feet. So we use this when we interchange it actually. When the solar is not, when it's cloudy and the solar is not working or to its capacity in quotes, then we can get water from the well, and it's clean water. It's clean. Yeah, so it's very clean. Most of the time we use it even for the cows and the cattle and the goats, and the farm workers use to wash their clothes and everything. So they use this to pull. I don't think I have the energy to do that, but this is so they'll dip this inside. Let's see if we can do one. So I'll not feel it, so you just drop it down. I made it take a lot of water, which I can't pull. Wow. Okay, I don't have the energy to pull a full liter. But that's how it looks. I don't think I have the energy to pull this, and I don't want to drop inside. Yeah, so that's how they do it. I think they have enough muscles. Yes, so 35 deep, and we use the petrol machine to get water, and the piping has been done across. We have a tank over there that can get water from here when we connect it to our generator, the petrol powered generator. And this is the wire that we said that was meant for the elephants in my previous video. So yes, we also have it on this space. And then I have a pond, if we might say, and yeah, someone is using it for the wrong purpose. So we have this, which was used for the kettle, for giving the kettle water a while back. We are not using it anymore. But what if we wash it and we have a swimming pool? Can it work? Tell me on the comments if you think this can be a good swimming pool. It's hot, so we need to swim. We need to swim, guys. Yeah, so we don't have the generator here because of the security reasons, but yeah, this is it, guys. This is just a manual well, but we have the borehole, the borehole that is deep enough, a good borehole, but this is just a manual well. Come 2024, after the rains in January, we are going to expand this because it has good capacity, and I've gotten some technicians who will give it an what is it called? I'm looking for the word. We are going to upgrade it. It will have lots of water. We'll do a compartment inside to enlarge the storage, and then we will power it with solar. So that's the plan for 2024. So that we have extra water from the borehole. We bring in solar to pump this to reduce costs of buying fuel, and then we have enough water to plant on this area the onions that I was talking about before April rains. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are grateful. We love you, and I know you love us. Keep watching this space. Mbuvi Farm is all about sustainable living, sustainable farming, starting small. If you're eager to start small and you do not know how, please watch my channel because we talk about how to start a small farm, how to feed your family using the land that you have. When you have a small land, it's amazing how much crops you can grow. Keep tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Looking forward to December Xmas.